Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today today I actually have a website that is unique on itself. Okay. So it will help you to find any path, like learning paths for any of the technologies. Okay. It has like really unique way to search things out and give you the suggestions. So, without wasting any time, let me just show you the website and we will go through it, and then we will find out like what it has to offer. Okay, so let's just dive into the video. So, here we are at learnanything.xyz. Okay, and as you can see, this site has nothing but just a search bar. Okay, and they have also like mentioned a topic over here like privacy. Okay, let's just search it. Okay, privacy. Okay, here we have our first thing. Okay, I will click on it, simply click on it, and now it have some glitches regarding it. I don't know why, but somehow it has these glitches, but just clear it out and it will be okay. So wait, as you can see, it actually has nose or tree like view in it. Okay, and wait, see, the topic starts from here. It is a reddit chain, reddit chain or blog, something like that. Okay, and if you click on it, like it will get you to that portion, and then we have wikipedia. And on that section we have two sectionization. One is help, one another is basic. In the basic we have invading privacy. In invading privacy we have chrome browser, facebook, microsoft, evernote, google, blah blah blah, a lot of things. Okay, so this is a kind of topic that is like what controversial, yeah, and something like something different. Okay, now let's search up like pure tech topic. Okay, suppose react. As you can see, they have actually a lot of other topics that are not just related to the tech portion but also other things like Gödel's incompleteness theorem. Okay, this is kind of a theorem. Okay, so that you can also get from here, but we are searching react right now. Wait, react js, yeah, we have react js. So in react js we have a lots of things as well. Like, first of all, they have given us awesome react.js repository link, because yeah, probably that's the most like what most helpful or the best possible resourceful react learning, developing, everything about doing everything a repository. Okay, then we have other sources as well. Okay, then we have the basic section, help section, react move, router, relay, blah blah blah, a lot of other sections. So basically you can get the idea about it. Like if you have a topic and you have want to learn about it and you want to learn all of the sectionizations, like learn the parts of it or to gather some information quickly, so you can totally rely on the site to like get that information as quick as possible. Okay, so that's the thing about it, and I really like how they're approaching it. But I wouldn't say the search is perfect. It could have been better, but still the topics you are getting over here, like in the topic portion, the sections that you are getting or the relevant topics that are connected to a main topic or the learning path, as if, okay, those are actually correct. Okay, as we can see from multiple searches of ours. So reliability on the resource, yeah, you can give it a 5 star. Search algorithm in the website, I don't think so you can like totally rely on it or not. But as I think it's a open source project, you can contribute to it and make it better. That's totally on your hand, right? So yeah, contribute to it, make it better. And yeah, maybe like what maybe in future it can like be on the next Google Scholar or something like that. And it would be a greatly intuitive way of searching things as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, that's it for this site. I know like many of you gonna visit it, because yeah, it's really handy to uh, research on one topic when you have such kind of platform. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, like do whatever, help me to boost out the YouTube algorithm. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, great sites like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.